Court does call the case of the People versus Cartier-Raines.
And for that was the people.
And Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Cartier-Raines. Mr. James, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the court?
Also files for this block.
Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. This isn't your typical courtroom. Today, Cartier-Raines is taking the boldest approach possible, representing himself and rejecting all assumed legal identities. He's claiming full rights under natural law, challenging the very idea that the court can bind him. You can feel the tension building. This is a courtroom showdown where procedure collides head-on with personal sovereignty. The judge is clearly caught off guard, trying to maintain order while Cartier refuses representation. Who do you think is in the right here? Someone asserting their freedom, or the system trying to uphold legal structure? Comment below, because this hearing is about to get even more unpredictable.
He did. He said something. Mr. Drains, can you state your name, please?
I, Cartier Amani Drains, hereby declare that I am a living, breathing human being, a natural person distinct from any legal or corporate entity or fiction. I do not consent to be represented or binded by any assumed legal identity or strawman. I assert my full rights under natural law and constitutional protection as a sovereign individual. I stand before this court to represent myself. All legal matters pertaining to the charges brought against me. I reject any notion or claim that my person may be divided, operated, or substituted by any separate legal entity. I affirm that all statements, evidence, and arguments I present are made on behalf of my living self, fully understanding my rights and responsibilities as a free individual.
Hey, you finished? All right, the court on its own motion is going to adjourn this because we're going to have an issue here. I have a feeling. I'm going to adjourn this probable cause hearing next week, August 7th. That's at 9 a.m. That is in person. He must be here so that I can hear him clearly in terms of what he wishes to say.
Yes.
Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
I'll follow up with you. Thank you.
Does call the case of the People versus Stephen Javon.
Anna Mackey on behalf of Mr. Javon, who's approaching.
Big DA had my social security backwards and everything. Had me at the wrong birthday. I was born on Christmas, 12/25/66.
If you ever took that for the people.
Your Honor, we're requesting to adjourn this matter.
State your name for the record, sir.
Red Crockett. I haven't had any income or nothing. They shut down. I didn't put my name at this. I didn't put my birthday.
Hang on a second, sir. Have you ever gone by the name of Stephen Javon?
Yeah, they had me listed at that name. That's my.
They had that listed as your name, but you're saying your name is something different now?
They had me listed at that name. I didn't know. I woke up from what they were doing to me. I had attempts to kill me, man. I hadn't had a night's sleep or nothing. Right now, my health is down, man. I'm suffering from a gunshot wound from segregation, in which I'm still going through stuff. I left a hospital with open wounds. Something happened.
Okay, but I just
not
need
too
to
long
know.
ago. And then you were part of something. I'm really excited conflict of interest with this. I'm really just deciding to kill this case, man. Because this case is, they got me the last day of the art fair. The last day of the art fair, I'm asking you to kill the case.
What art fair?
That's what happened to me. They made a false report and they got me.
Okay, all right.
This stuff, crazy
Hold on,
stuff.
hold on. At some point, I myself or some other judge will hear all of your complaints. I just need to know, do I have the person in front of me that this complaint pertains to? So that's why I'm asking you. You've been known by the name Stephen Javon before at some point, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boy,
All right. Council, what do you want to do on this?
Approach, please.
No.
Maybe
I
we
can't keep going
approach.
because I ain't had no income. I can't keep going with stuff with it. Just doing stuff to me. I've had
Is this going to be
cases
important?
this year.
It's okay. Yeah, come on.
This is an
Okay.
open and shut state. I shouldn't be.
Go ahead. Okay, what are we, record to reflect, you had a brief bench conference in this case. What are we doing with this man?
Your Honor, the people would like to request that there is an order for a competency evaluation. That is on a people's motion. I think that given what we've just heard from the defendant, it's an appropriate request at this time.
Any statement?
Evaluation,
Any-
and they almost killed me. Man,
Sir,
let's get me out this room, man. They
Sir,
almost killed me, man.
sir,
I can't
sir.
keep going through this, man.
sir.
I'm not gonna go
Sir.
through no evaluation because I got an education, man. I'm not going through that no more.
Sir.
You did this last time to me, man. It's already a conflict of interest. Yeah. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna say,
He got-
sir, I'm gonna say,
Now,
sir, one
I
more
had a
time.
Reaction to that.
Sir.
Almost was dead from that allergic reaction, man. You and Collins, man. Already a conflict of interest.
I'm gonna order a competency evaluation, parental
I'm gonna order you
evaluation.
for a competency evaluation, man. Pretty,
Yeah.
man. I'm finna sue y'all, man.
You wanna know
Don't leave
what?
here.
You keep talking, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm
'Cause
not
I'm
gonna
gonna
get no
get- I'm gonna
evaluation from
get
you.
through-
You're not gonna do
I'm
this to
gonna
me
get
again.
through this hearing.
Yeah.
All right?
Not
If
gonna-
you don't want to conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication I shouldn't even have in me. I almost
I'm gonna
died,
let you
man.
go
I'm
on
not
and try to
gonna
get
be,
it
I'm
all
not gonna
out.
be under no pressure with no medication. I'm not gonna be taking something that I'm not.
All right, I'll
No.
tell you what I'm gonna do. I've given you 2 warnings. I'm gonna pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bail if you, sir.
Man, you sitting there. I'm finna
You
get
need
you
to
in trouble.
go with
Okay.
them. Call
I'm a-
security, call security down.
Courtroom the same way, but- Man, you, that's court the same way. You a part of.
Incredible. This courtroom session was nothing short of intense. Cartier-Rains stood his ground, refusing any form of competency evaluation, asserting that he does not need mediation or legal oversight, and claiming full rights as a sovereign individual. The judge had no choice but to adjourn the hearing and continue the matter in person next week, clearly trying to balance procedural fairness with the unpredictability of a defendant challenging the system itself. This raises critical questions about the limits of personal freedom in legal proceedings. Can someone truly operate outside the standard court system, or does the law inevitably assert itself? You can feel the tension in every exchange. Cartier's insistence on representing himself and rejecting assumed legal identities clashes with the courtroom's need for order, making every moment unpredictable. Beyond the legal technicalities, this is a human story of frustration, fear, and defiance. The judge's repeated warnings and eventual adjournment highlight the delicate dance between authority and individual rights. What would you do if you were in his shoes? Comment below and share your thoughts. And if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. You won't want to miss what happens next.
Something he is something to me, man. All the time.
You guys might want to go check back there. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay.
That's his backpack.
What? What about his backpack?
Oh, it's your
I put
backpack?
mine on the back.
Oh, I was like,
You can take it home with you. I'm not, well, they'll get it.
yeah.
Just leave it there. I am not worried about that backpack.
Should be.
I'll pass this matter and we'll come back to it,
Thank you.
maybe.
Don't make it.